Hi, I'm James, I'm from the Vesper Group, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about the property management service that we offer here. So if you're a landlord and you're based overseas, and if you can't get to your property quickly back in London or in Manchester, you may want to look at our property management service, where our team are on hand 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to handle any emergencies and any works that may be required at your property. So to give you an example, it may be a tenant that's locked out and they need a spare set of keys. It may be a leak coming from the flat above, or it may be just some general maintenance that needs fixing. Maybe some door handles are loose or some maintenance works are needed in the garden. Our team of contractors can do those works for you and we will just bill them back to you. It's great for landlords who are based overseas because the last thing you're going to want is a call at 2 o'clock in the morning your time to say, hey, do you have a spare set of keys? When our team is around to handle that issue for you. We also do things like chasing the rent if it's late, giving you monthly statements and collecting all that information for you for the end of the year if you need to fill in your tax return. Our property management service comes in two various formats, either the 8% upfront payment or the 10% pay monthly. Whichever service you go for, you can be reassured that the team at Vesper will take care of you and will look after you.